Whoa!
We got Rupert out in the early lead. Big power. Yep. Looks like I got Rupert, Ingram, Dempsey, Matlick, Crooks, Offit, Dempsey. Who? Alright, I'm a minute in. I've got Jim is your leader, Malik's in second, Rupert third. Oh, Offit.
Damn. What's in my spectacular win last week? Oh.
Minute and a half in, Jim, Steve, Gary, Eddie, Rick, Mark, and John.
When I put it up.
Jim and Steve running right together down the front straightaway. Jim driving the number 20 purple old fart car. And Jim gets tied up with lap traffic. Matlick's right there. Matlick dives to the inside in the purple with Flames, number 7. Gary Offit in third. Also on the same lap as your leader. Offit driving the red and white, number 33. Coming out of 4 on his lid. Go low on the front straightaway. And it's cleared. 2.5 down. Steve, Jim, Rick, Gary, Mark, Eddie, John. Steve and Jim still on the same lap. And your leader gets tied up, stuck on the front straightaway. Here comes Rupert into 1. Matlick still has a half a straightaway, half a lap speed. Rupert now in heavy traffic. See if he gets love from the lappers. And Rupert dives to the inside, gets by clean. Matlick down with an open track. Woo. 30 seconds remaining. Matlick, Rupert, Crooks now your order. Then it's Gary, Mark, Eddie, and John. You're gonna have to move it. Let me guess, it's got his transponder on it too. No? Five seconds remaining, drivers. Carnage in 3, 1. And when you cross the line, you will be done. And that'll do it. Matlick will take it 39, 4 flat. Rupert, Rick, Gary, Eddie, Mark, John. Minutes before the